Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and create these little drop downs in Excel. So maybe you want to have a little drop down that says like yes, no, maybe, whatever it is. Now, doing this is actually very basic. It really doesn't take too much time at all. The first thing you want to do is you want to select the row or the rows that you want to go ahead and have this drop down be in. So in this case, let's say I wanted to do it inside of this. Well, what I'd want to do then is select the row or select the columns, whatever, and then you want to go ahead and click onto the Data tab that's inside the top bar of Excel. Tap on Data, and then you want to scroll over until you find this Data Validation option, which is right over here towards the right side. Tap on Data Validation, and then you're going to see this prompt box basically come up here. So now what you're going to want to do is you want to click on this little drop down here, and instead of it being any value or whole number, you want to turn it into a list. So tap on list, and then under source right here, you'll be able to type in exactly what you want. So here you can go and type in whatever you want. So maybe you want to type in 1 or whatever, but in between what you want, in between the selections, you want to add a comma. So if I wanted one selection to be 1, well, I'd want to put a comma, and then I can put the next selection as 2, comma, then the next selection, which could be 3. From here, so now when I have the drop down, it should be 1, 2, 3. If I click on apply, I now have this new little drop down button right here. I can tap onto this drop down and look, I have these 3 different options I can go and select from here. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.